So today I'm gonna show you how you can upload your custom font folder to your WordPress website. So basically this is my website, and yeah, actually I'll try to use a font that is not available in WordPress. So how you can use a custom font folder. So just I have to install a plugin to your website, to my website, sorry. So just search use any font, and this is the plugin name, and that plugin just you have to install and activate this plugin. So I have already installed, so just click on activate it. Oh, plugin is activated now. So just here is the option. So just you have to click on this plugin add-ons, then you will get this kind of interface. So you have to verify this plugin for using this functionality to your website. So just click on this generating free API. So after then you will see the code. Just click on this verify, then your plugin has been verified. So you have to now you have to upload your custom font. So just click on the font, upload font, then you will see the upload fonts. Then you have to put your font name, and then you will get the upload file option. So you have to so I have already downloaded the font file. So I just try to use the font name, and I have to click on this OSZ. So if you want, you can use also the font weight here. This is really normal. Now you have to upload your folder. So I just need to extract my whole file first of all. So just upload. This file is not available, so so we have to use another file type, ttl, clf, other whatever. So I have to extract my file. I just forget this one. Just click on extract, then you have to use the primary folder. So that's why this error is appear. So just click on this, and here is the ttf file. So just click on this upload now. Just drag drop. So this file is uploaded, done, and this font is appear here. So this font is now available in your WordPress website. So how you can use this font? So click on assign font, then assign font, just you have to click on this assign font, then you have to select your font, then where you want to use this font to your website, just you have to clarify and click everywhere. So I want to use as a heading 3, tag, page title, category title, site title, etc. So I'll use like this, just a simple method, guys. Site title also, click on it also. So maybe everything is okay now. The post title and page title also, this heading tag need to be there. So I'll use so everything is fine now. So just assign font. So so this font is now working everywhere dynamically after clicking on this function. So just I tried to visit my website, and I just want to see if the font is working as well to my website. So I just need to try. Here is have a look, guys, the font checker. I just click on the font checker, and here is appear the font name. So it's really easy method. So guys, if you think you'll get some help from this video, just click on subscribe button and press the like button also, and please share to your friend. Thank you so much.